In this video, we'll show you how to add friends on Monopoly Go using codes. Adding friends is easy and a great way to enjoy the game with people you know. Until now, adding friends with a code wasn't possible, so you need to have the latest version of the game. In this video, we'll show you the entire process, including how to find your own code and the steps for searching and adding friends. Launch the game on your device. Close all pop-up messages and notifications. Tap on the Friends icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your friend code. You can share it by copying it. Just click on the icon here and send it via your preferred app. To share it directly through an app, click this Share button. Select the app, and the code will be sent. I'll send it through the Telegram app. Now we'll switch to my friend's phone and their Monopoly Go account. They will add me using that code. Click on the Friends icon. Then, click on the magnifying glass button. Since this is a new feature, a notification appears explaining how it works. If it pops up for you too, click on the X. To send a friend request to an existing player using their friend code, enter the code you received from your friend in the friend code field. I copied it, so I'll paste it here. After entering, click Search. Monopoly Go recognized the account and wants you to confirm sending the request. Click on Send. The request is sent to your profile in real time, as you can see on the left phone. Click Accept. And that's it, you're now connected on the Monopoly Go game. If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and become part of our digital family.